Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to upload an ebook on Gumroad. So you might be wondering, where do we find the upload button to upload our ebook? All right. So let's say you've made a product. You're now under this product section, and maybe you have it named ebook. And then you've written down the description, uploaded a cover, uploaded a thumbnail, set this up however you need it. All right. You clicked on save and continue. And then you'll be landed to the content section. Here's where you would need to upload your ebook. Now, to go ahead and upload an ebook, just go ahead and click on upload files. Computer files or Dropbox files. All right. Computer files, the ebook is located under your computer's drive. So for example, this one is the ebook. Click on open, wait for the file to upload. And then once that's done, click on save changes, then publish and continue. That's how easy it is to upload an ebook on Gumroad. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.